What's up, everyone? Check this out. This is cool. We got a train meet right here. Norfolk Southern Chicago Line District milepost 208. Right. There's the milepost sign. We got both trains over there. Woo! This is very nice. And the engineer blew the horn at me because I was standing on the track waiting for we're waiting for him to move. And he blew the horn, and then this other train just rounded the corner. So thank you whoever was in that train. I cannot speak today. Whatever engineer's in there, thank you. Ooh. Oh, voice crack once again. Ha ha ha. He's gonna go across the diamond. Gonna hear this. Ooh. Y'all hear that bell? Ooh. I think that's a Whitefish -9. Oh, no, never mind. Woo, 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 woo.